Mastering Reading Comprehension Questions for English Tests. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on test preparation techniques. Today we're diving into a critical aspect of many English exams: reading comprehension questions. Whether you're preparing for TOEFL, IELTS, or even your high school English exams, this topic is vital for you. So, let's get started. Reading comprehension questions evaluate how well you understand, analyze, and interpret text. These questions often make up a significant portion of English language tests. The key skills tested include identifying main ideas, understanding sequence, making inferences, and understanding vocabulary and context. Being adept at handling these types of questions can considerably boost your test score. There are generally three types of reading comprehension questions you might encounter. Multiple choice questions. These are the most common. You will be given a set of options and asked to choose the correct answer. The challenge lies in the distractors, answers that look correct but aren't. True, false questions. These questions require you to identify statements as either true or false based on the reading passage. Be careful. Sometimes the statements can be misleading. Open-ended questions. For these questions, you'll need to provide a written answer based on the passage. These often test your ability to summarize or interpret the text. Here are some proven strategies to ace reading comprehension questions. Skim first. Quickly skim the passage to get a general idea of the content. This will help you answer questions that deal with the main idea. Keywords and phrases. Identify keywords or phrases in the questions and then find them in the passage. This will help you locate the information you need more quickly. Eliminate wrong answers. For multiple choice questions, try to eliminate the wrong answers first. This will improve your odds of selecting the correct answer. Time management. Be mindful of the time. Don't spend too much time on a single question. If you're stuck, it's better to move on and come back to it later. The more you practice, the better you get. Use sample tests and timed exercises to get used to the format and improve your speed and accuracy. That wraps up our discussion on mastering reading comprehension questions for English tests. Implement these strategies and practice regularly to make sure you're as prepared as possible. I hope this video has been useful, and I wish you the best of luck on your upcoming tests. See you next time.